we talk about is slowing down, and so it's really this idea of rebuilding your pace. So we want a pace that's sustainable. Many of us are just caught in their survival of moving from one thing to the next out of busyness. And it's finding this pace that you can maintain this rhythm that allows you to continually make progress. And that means we're taking actions, but then we're also taking steps back to reflect, which when we reflect, we can reorient ourselves a lot better. So we can make adjustments that actually speed up the process. So when we slow down our pace, we actually allow ourselves to go further, and we're doing it in a more intelligent, balanced way, rather than just out of reaction. It's more conscious intention that we're putting into our actions. And those are leveraged actions. Those have more payoff to them. That's why we slow down the pace, is so we can see the full playing field that allows us to find the gaps that allow us to move forward at a more rapid pace on the other side of it.